Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial. How to view your Wi-Fi password on your iPad in 2025. With iOS updates making things even more secure and user-friendly, this process is straightforward, but it's easy to get stuck if you don't know the steps. Whether you've forgotten your network password or need to share it with a friend, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure your iPad is updated to the latest iOS version for 2025. This ensures you have access to all the new features. Start by unlocking your iPad and opening the Settings app. It's that gray gear icon on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. You'll see a list of available networks, and the one you're connected to should be at the top with a checkmark. Now, tap on the blue icon next to your connected network. This brings up the network details page. In 2025, Apple has made it easier to manage passwords, so look for the Password section. If you're prompted, you'll need to authenticate with your device passcode or Face ID for security reasons. This is to keep your info safe. Once authenticated, you'll see an option that says View Password or Show Password. Tap that, and voila! Your Wi-Fi password will appear on the screen. A quick tip: if you're not seeing this option, double-check that you're signed in with your Apple ID, as iCloud Keychain might be required for this feature. Also, remember that viewing passwords is meant for your own networks, so use this responsibly to avoid any security risks. And there you have it. You're all set. This method keeps things simple and secure, perfect for the latest iPads. If you run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.